Hey there, it's Steve at the Auto Station. You know what? We got a great example here of a carboned up intake system on a European car. We got a GDI motor here. This is what happens. Got a spark plug here. Don't know if everyone can see that. That's the completely fouled plug. Air intake here. We can take a look at these runners in the back. These things, little butterflies that sort of disturb the air pattern and get maximum sort of fuel smash up and get more power. These things are all carboned up. The injectors on the top, they're all fouled up. And inside the motor, these little baffles or divider plates that help the airflow down in there. You can see in here, they are all carboned up. The bottom line here, this motor is not producing the horsepower that it should, and it's not got that poppy feeling when you're driving it. We're gonna get in here, we're gonna chemically clean everything, we're gonna sort of physically get in here, clean all this stuff up, get a tune-up, get some new plugs. This car is gonna be running great, and the biggest thing is it was using about 1 liter every 1,000 kilometers of driving. Customers were really not happy with that. We're going to address the oil consumption problem, get this car back on the road. If you're driving a car like this, you've got some performance degradation, or you've got a high oil use, come on and see us. We'd be happy to help you with it. Steve at the Auto Station.